Goldstein, your favorite immigration lawyer, and I am coming to you live on a cold and dark afternoon here in the City of Angels. I hope everybody is doing amazing. I know I am, and I'm looking forward to getting my first question from all of you people. I just wanted to pop on here for a few minutes and see what is on your minds. How are you doing? How was your day? And see what questions I can answer for you. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about trying to help you, try to answer your questions, try to be of help. And Susie is here. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We have 4 people. That's all we have right now. Oh, 8 people. No, more and more. Barrington's here. Patricia. Welcome, one and all. Snake Plissken. Snake Plissken joined us? Oh, my God. I haven't seen him since he escaped from New York. Hope everybody is doing amazing. AD shared this live. Thank you for sharing this live. If you share this live, it helps me help you. Hello, sir. I hope you're doing well from Riaz, Afghan. What does I-797 code 5 mean? I don't know. Tell me more about your notice. I-797C. I wonder what that is. From Florida, we have Afai El Tahafa has joined us. Welcome, welcome. Big Boss Ellie joined us. Manchi joined us. Who's going to ask me the first question? We have a greetings from Guyana. I've always wanted to go to Guyana. I want to see the waterfalls and all the birds. Guyana is a place to be. I've always wanted to go there. I want to go a lot of places. Thank you for sharing this live. Thank you for liking this live. We're trying to get our face in front of a lot of people to try to add value and try to be of service and try to inspire you. And, you know, a lot of what I'm talking about in today's videos is mindset. You know, mindset means feeling safe, feeling empowered, feeling like you have control over your immigration destiny, not succumbing to the fear that Donald Trump is trying to put out with everyone. AF is here. Gemini woman, please do visit, sir. Do visit Guyana. Yes, I would love to do that. Sad Tunes has joined us. Beloved, hey, I called to speak with you, would not let you speak with me. Well, you can speak with me right now if you want. I will let you join here, and we can have somebody jump on if you want. Go live with me, and I can answer your questions live. Colonel Arashel Megans, welcome. Welcome. Look at all those hearts and happy things. Thank you for all that. That's very kind of you. The Enlightenment Coach is here. Who else do we have? West Coast Merle Chihuahuas. I need a West Coast Chihuahua. Here's somebody with a question. Hi, I responded to a noir, that's a notice of intent to revoke, on February 9th, 2024. But in July, I got new evidence from my side in a USCIS account. Should we file a mandamus or wait because of uploading in July 2025? I think you could go ahead and file the mandamus. There's no need to put the brakes on that. You can go ahead and do that. Who has more questions? I would love to answer your questions. Here's one. Is it a sign that when you attend your court or judge hearing, they're going to arrest you? Is it a sign? Is what a sign that they're going to arrest you? What are you asking me? Is it a sign? If you get detained by ICE, can I be bailed out, sir? Whether you're eligible for bond, to be released on bond, is a good question. Here's Mimi, too legit to quit. Handsome lawyer. Oh, thank you so much. That's so kind of you. That really makes my day, that comment. I appreciate you. You are cool and kind, and we're talking about immigration law. I just followed her. She's great. Enlightenment Coach. Can a good man from Pakistan get a work visa here? Yes. How much if it's possible? The price of the visa depends on all sorts of factors and everything, and whether someone would be eligible. It's a long conversation. Is it a denial sign on my way 5 weeks after the I-45 and no decision? No. It doesn't mean you're going to get denied if you haven't gotten a decision 5 weeks after you applied. It's too soon. Appeals, individual, are protected for deportation while it's pending. I think so. Yeah. You shouldn't be detained if you have an immigration case that's appealed, because you don't have a final order of removal if it's pending, right? It's not final. Zariev Sharif joined us. Beloved, I need someone to go with me. I have to check in for ICE on hold for removal of deportation. Okay. I go out of status after applying for my green card. Edith followed me. Thank you. If you click the like button, or you subscribe, or you share this live, that will help me. My office is located in downtown Los Angeles, but I help people in all 50 states and around the world. So that's what we do. Any update about asylum, last in, first out? No, they use a bunch of different metrics to decide when they're going to interview people. And I don't know what they're processing people with in different ways with different priorities. So it's hard to read too much into that. Let's see here. How long is an N400 taking now in New York with a pending I-751? I'd say it's a little over a year, but that's just a guess. These processing times are kind of all over the place. Any update on the H-1B lawsuit, Josh? No, it's still kind of pending. Oh, thank you, Mimi, too legit to quit. That's very kind of you. I got a rose. How long is the I-130 taking to get approved for a spouse of a U.S. citizen? I'd say less than 6 months. These things are going fast. These things are going fast. Can I file a habeas corpus for my boyfriend detained by ICE without a lawyer? Yes, you might be able to. A habeas is a federal lawsuit that's filed to challenge the illegal detention of immigrants. And we've been filing these and getting great results. My spouse is overseas, says Mudar. Well, let's change that. Let's bring your spouse to the U.S. to be with you. Here's Jacqueline Castro. My fiance is in ICE. What do you recommend? A habeas corpus? He entered illegally. It's possible. Yeah, I do recommend the habeas. Hello from the other side, says Carter. Keeping it real. Any orgs that help veterans when filing out processing petition forms? I don't know. I'm a private bar lawyer. I help people, and I do good work. Any update? Citizenship. I did the test this year, July. I don't have an update. I just made a TikTok video that I shared it all over social media, and it was about how if you do your naturalization interview, okay, if you do that, then you can, if they haven't made a decision within 120 days, then you can demand that they make a decision on your case. Mimi, too legit to quit. When can you apply for a green card after your asylum is approved? The answer is 1 year after the grant of your asylum. 1 year. So look at the date you were granted asylum and wait 1 year and then file it, and then you're on track to get your case approved. How cool is that? Very cool. Let's take this guess. Ethics. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Zoe. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. Do you have an immigration question?
Yeah, I have one question. I get approved for my citizenship, and then I get the letter for other ceremony. But the question is, when I get the certificate,
Yeah.
can I travel with that one, like another state? I'm truck driver, so the other ceremony day, I returned the green card, you know?
Okay. So the question is, can you travel with a naturalization certificate, but with no U.S. passport?
Yeah.
No, you need to get a U.S. passport. The certificate of naturalization is not something you can use like to travel with.
Not travel for the, I'm not mean like outside of the country. I mean like another state, you know, they asking the ID. Sometimes they asking like you U.S. citizen. So can I keep it with the certificate with the?
No, I don't think that's a great idea. I think it's much better to apply for a U.S. passport. You can apply for a passport book, And you can also apply for a passport card. And then you keep that card in your wallet and it serves as proof that you're a U.S. citizen, okay?
Okay.
Good
Thank
luck.
you very much.
Good luck, brother. Thanks. Was that helpful? You cannot use a certificate of naturalization. Don't lose a certificate, says Mimi. Yes. If you lose a certificate, it's expensive and difficult to get a new one. Don't do that. Don't lose it. Don't lose anything. Keep it all recorded. Imani K. Josh, can a cleaning company sponsor someone with asylum? Yes. Maybe. Grand Neg Abdul Nasser joined us. Nice. We have a lot of people here. I love the energy. Let's see here. Any update about civ cases? Yeah, special immigrant visas. These are for people who've helped the United States military in Afghanistan or Iraq. There is a lawsuit, a pending lawsuit that's going on right now, a class action lawsuit. And hopefully that will, I don't know what the latest news is on that, but hopefully it's going to benefit a lot of people. Do you recommend traveling domestically from Chicago to Miami with asylum with immigration court? I'm not sure what that means. Travel domestically from Chicago to Miami, I understand, but then it says with asylum with immigration court. I don't know what that means. Does that mean you have asylum status? If so, you can travel, no problem. Or are you out of status, but you're applying for immigration status? Those are very different. Okay. Any update with citizen marriage? Because I'm still waiting. I don't know what your question really is. Can you clarify that, please? CJ followed me. Can I travel internationally with domestic violence arrest, no charge or conviction? Yeah, but I probably would bring the documentation with me in case someone accuses you of a crime. Ma Regina Chenson followed me. How do you know how long it's taking for the fiance processing? Do you know how long it's taking? I'd say about 14 months from start to finish. Does that help? Visa T, ¿cómo funciona? Es un plan fantástico para arreglar y obtener sus papeles. Solo sé como 20 palabras en español. Discúlpeme. Can I-864 be waived for veterans? I don't know the answer to that. I should know the answer to that. Can I travel with the disposition? Is it safe? Only have a green card? It depends. It depends on what kind of disposition it is. Were you arrested for drug trafficking? If so, that disposition is not going to be good. But is it jaywalking? Maybe that would be better. Lila Cruz. I'm married. My husband is under a parole grant upgrade. His status went on interview. They didn't interview. Will obesity be the reason for a visa denial? I made a video about this. There's a little bit of news on it. I guess they could, deny you under those grounds. Is USCIS slowly now? No, actually, for a lot of cases, it's going quite quickly. One Love. Hi, Josh. Hello, brother. Hamid, I applied for a green card based on asylum last December. How long does it usually take to get approved? I'd say 18 months. Nadu, still waiting. Natniel. Let's see here. I may take another guest. Should I take a guest? All right, I'll take a guest. Let's see how this goes. It's risky on my part. Could be crazy. Natniel.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. How are you doing, brother?
I'm doing good.
What can I do to help?
I have just 2 questions.
2 questions. Okay.
I just rejected last year in front of immigration judge.
You were rejected in front of an immigration judge. Okay.
So I'm active in a appeal case right now.
Yeah.
And it's been a year. I don't know how long it take, and I want to know what's the probability to win a chance. And
Right.
yeah,
So how long does it take to get a decision on an appeal, and how likely is it that you're going to win?
and how likely like
Yeah.
the winning person?
Right. Right. Well, the winning percentage, how likely you are to win on an appeal, is not a general question. It's not like I look at this and I say, well, only 9% of cases are win on appeal in general. Instead, what I do is I look at your case. I look at the reason why you were denied. I look at the issues. I look at the kind of evidence that you had, and try to make a decision about whether your case has merit. But it's impossible for me to figure that out without reviewing your case.
Yeah, the judge basically he denied me because the Mexico the bar thing, the May 23rd.
Yeah.
That
Well,
was the reason though.
I wish you all the best, but I don't know what to say really. Okay.
Okay, you guys handle a PIA case?
Yes, but it sounds like you already filed the appeal, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you just need to wait for the result.
Okay.
Good luck, brother.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right. Well, that was pretty good. Pretty good questions. People are asking good questions. Here's a question from Susan Sala. Will the new update on travel ban, will it apply to someone who has gone to the embassy and got their visa issued but are not allowed in the U.S.? Will it apply them once they get here, and could an office stop them? I don't know. I don't know your situation. I don't know what the status is, but hopefully, hopefully the travel ban won't stop you. That's what I hope, at least. Let's see. Some other questions. Pick me up. Pick me up, says someone. Safi. Okay, I'll take you. Safi.
Hey, how are you doing, man?
I'm doing great, brother. How are you?
Thank you, man. It's my second time.
Nice.
Thank you so much for helping, man. I have a quick question.
Sure.
My wife had an interview at the Pakistan. I'm green card holder. Can I go there and come back? There is no travel ban for green card holder.
For Pakistan?
Yeah.
No, there's no ban for Pakistan.
Okay, it means that I can go and come back, right?
In general, yeah.
Okay, because I came like a year in 2022 to Deal Lottery.
Okay.
I can go, right?
In general, yeah, you can.
Okay, thank you so much, man.
Okay, brother. All the best.
Bye.
All right, those are good questions. Good questions. Here's a question from Deem Hernandez. We have TPS ended, EAD done today for Nepal. We're in the process of a motion to reopen. Is there anything that may help us to apply for an EAD, or we just need to wait and see if the motion to reopen on an asylum case occurs? I think you need to wait. Yeah. Susan Shella, if a person was part of the IR5 exception and the son applied for them and sponsored them, I don't know if that helps with my question. It looks like that person would be okay to get a green card. I had my green card interview almost 2 months ago, and they're going to mail me the final decision. This is from Nadu. Nadu, don't freak out. Don't get too scared about this. I think you can get approved. You don't have to worry about that. Do bank statements make up for shortfalls in income? I'm not quite sure what is meant by that. I think you're thinking about the I-45, but I'm not sure. Can I still file a police report about an incident that happened a year ago to apply for a U visa? Why not? Why not? RDD shout out from Mindset. RDD. I love RDD. My boys play tennis in this tennis program. It's amazing. And I think they're playing right now. So that's what's happening. Annie Blackchar Rizkid. Do parents go for an interview? I need a little more information. I'm in law school. Was it hard to become an immigration attorney? This is from basketball. Lots of things are hard. Lots of things are hard. You know what's hard? It's hard to be a patent lawyer. It's hard to be a tax lawyer. It's hard to work in a restaurant. It's hard to be a dishwasher. Lots of things are hard. The question is not whether it's hard. The question is this what you want to do? Is this your calling? Are you into it? Like, I love being an immigration lawyer. I love helping people get green cards and citizenship and things like that. So, you know, if you love what you're doing and you're passionate about helping people, then it's a good thing to be doing. I don't know. Can I come back in the U.S. 3 years after abroad with a green card? You can try, but that's going to be a bit of a problem. You better get back here right away. You know what I mean? Annie says, that's awesome. A passion is a must. Passion is required for any kind of success. You can't just go into some career half-assed. Brown Biola, bring me up. Okay. Let's see here. Here's Bakir Mansouri. Bakir. Bakir, my man.
Hi, Josh.
What's going on?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I have a question.
I have an answer.
Thank you so much. USCIS asked for NOIR.
Okay.
We need legally authorized from India to show that your marriage is legally. And I upload my India marriage certificate. Is that enough for that?
So let me just see if I said it right. You got a notice of intent to revoke, right?
Yes.
And what's the issue? Why do they want to revoke you?
Because I married in India.
Okay.
That time I'm from Afghanistan. I have two marriage certificates, which is one from my country embassy, Afghanistan embassy. My attorney uploading from the beginning the marriage certificate from Afghanistan, not from India. And embassy sent the case back to USCIS. USCIS asked for India authorized. And I upload the marriage certificate from India, which is with me.
Okay.
Which is attested by ministry from India.
Okay.
I upload that. Is that enough for that? We just waiting for response right now.
Well, I'd have to take a look at it. The issue is whether your marriage is valid, legally valid, right?
Yes, it is valid in India. And also I get new document from India embassy from Istanbul. They said this marriage certificate is legally in India. I upload that one also in my account.
Well,
Is that enough?
I don't know. I'd have to take a look at the issue and I'd have to study it a little bit more. I mean, USCIS thinks that your marriage is not legally valid, right?
Yes, in India.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'd have to look at it before I could give you my opinion. I don't know the answer off the top of my head. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. And I have one last question.
Yeah.
In this stage, and I upload new document also.
Yeah.
Should I file mandamus or should I have to wait? Because in July I upload new document.
I think you could file mandamus or you could wait. Either one.
Okay. How long more? Maybe.
How long has it been?
I'm waiting from 9 of February 2024.
Oh, I think it's more than enough time.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good luck, brother.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Good luck. All right. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Good questions from my man. Here's Benghazi. I have a mandamus suit ongoing with you and your team, and so far very effective with communication. Guys, go for that lawsuit for delays. Even though mine's not filed yet, I'm positive it will yield positive results. Josh is the best. That's really kind of you. It looks like I paid someone to say that, but of course I did not. All right, let's see who else we're going to have on here. Should we have anyone? Here's someone else I'm going to have on. Pacha Khan.
This is Pacha Khan.
How you doing, brother? Yeah.
Yeah, hi, doing, sir. I just crossed the border like 2 years ago.
Okay. Welcome.
Then I was in Ohio State.
Okay.
And then I just moved to Houston,
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
So my case was transferred to Houston, Texas.
Okay.
And then I got attorney, I contacted attorney and contract with him. But after a few days, after a month, he called me that, hey, Raja Khan, your case is going to be transferred to USIS.
Okay.
So, and if you wanted to, we can transfer to USIS, or if you don't want, that's gonna be with the judge. So I told him that I don't know.
Okay.
What's the good option you do for me, but I don't know about it. I don't have an idea.
Well, I don't
Then
know it. I'd have to.
Yeah, that was then transferred to USIS.
Right.
So after a month, I biometricked it and then waiting for my case, but still I don't have. It's a year, so I don't have any news from them.
Well, I don't really know what to say because I don't know. Like, I have to study your case a little more. But I certainly wish you all the best.
Okay, so do you have any idea that how long it takes that?
No, I don't.
Like such cases, how long it takes? Do you have anything about it?
No, I don't know. I'd have to study your case a little more thoroughly. Okay. Good luck.
Oh, okay. Okay. Miss.
All right. Let's take some more questions. Who has questions? These are good questions. Come on, people. What state are you in, and what's your consultation fee? I'm in the state of California. I help people in all 50 states and around the world, and consultation fee is generally $150. Sometimes it's free, depending on the case. But what are the chances of a marriage interview going well? The chances of a marriage interview going well depend on whether your relationship is genuine and whether you whether you're well prepared. I always tell people to print out their applications the night before, sit down and read them so you know all the information front and back cold. Does that sound reasonable and fair? Here's Mrs. Harapersad. My husband's a U.S. citizen. It's been 27 months. My I-130 is not approved. You need to contact me. I don't know where you are, but contact me. I can help you out. Famaba, I went to my green card interview in February 2025, still waiting for a decision. Is that normal? It's a little longer than normal, but Zia's here. Newness is here. Fofet, are they waiving interviews now? No, they're not. Here's Risked. I'm a green card holder. I filed for my child under 21 in November of 2020. How long is it going to take? Probably a couple of years total. What state am I in? I'm in California. We help people in all 50 states and around the world remotely through phone and video conferencing. All right. Questions? Brown, please give me hope. I'll give you hope. I have a situation. I want to know if I'm eligible for something. Could I schedule a consultation? Absolutely. If you're on TikTok, you can go to my bio. You can schedule using the link in my bio. And if you're on any other platform, you can see the phone number to my office is above my head. Sophia shared this. Thank you, Sophia. If I came in without parole, can I file a marriage case? You can, but it's going to be a little more complicated. The first question I was going to ask you is, do you have any military family, close members of your family who are in the military or armed forces or National Guard? Because if so, you can get what's called military parole in place, which is a really cool way to get around that problem. Questions? Do I do U visas? Yes. How long do they take? They take a long time. Success level, high. I applied for I-360 in VAWA in April. Still no receipts. Tell me what to do. Refile it. Refile it. I mean, it's been since April and you don't have anything. I think there's a problem, right? Let's see here. How long does a U visa take? It takes a long time. Zia, my question wasn't answered. Is there any way to expedite a U visa? Sometimes you can, but for the most part, the system is set up so that it's going to take a long time. So I apologize for that. Bring me up, Josh. I don't know how to bring someone up on YouTube, but if you go to TikTok, I do know how to bring you up. I do, if you're on YouTube. Okay, here's Lydia. Let's bring up Lydia. Lydia, oh Lydia. No, Resilient is here.
Yes, sir.
Hello, brother.
Hey, how are you, bro? I'm
good, man. What's going on?
Yeah, so my wife, mom tried for her to join her in the state since 2022, which she did, and she came back around October. This is 2022, we got married. She went back in the state, filed for me around February.
Hold on a second. I'm sort of lost here. Slow down a bit.
Yeah.
So you're married, right?
Yeah, so my wife,
Okay.
traveled in the state. 2022.
Your wife is in the States.
Yeah,
Where are you?
in Liberia.
Liberia. Okay, fantastic. So you're married to a U.S. citizen. Your wife lives in the U.S.
No, green card holder.
Green card holder. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she filed for me in February 2023,
Filed in February 2023. Okay.
but the case still under review by
Yeah.
UNCI. I
Yes.
don't know what it's.
Okay. So is there a way for your wife to apply for naturalization to become a naturalized U.S. citizen?
No, she have spent less than 5 years in the U.S., so
Okay,
she's not
so
qualified.
soon. So that's
Yeah.
one piece of advice. Your wife should become a naturalized U.S. citizen as soon as she can. The second thing to understand is that the delay in your case is kind of part of the system. Green card holders just take longer. So you have to be patient, and there's not much I can do or any other lawyer can do. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, brother. Good luck. You'll get there.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. It's a good question. Let's see who this is. Lydia. Hi, Lydia. Hello? Hello there. Looks like we lost Lydia. Here's another of our guests here. Azwami. Hello.
Aziza. Azurame.
How do you say your name? How do you say your name?
My name is Furis Aziza, but this is Azoame.
Azoame.
Yes.
Salam alaikum. Welcome. Welcome.
Walaikum salam.
Where are you?
I'm
Where are
following
you?
for
Where are you?
Long time on YouTube and TikTok too, but
I'm
I
a-
have a big question now.
Okay, I have a big answer.
Because my husband has an interview in Ethiopia October 6th.
Okay.
This I'm waiting for 3 years.
Okay, fantastic.
But they call him to approve, and then for interview he go October 6th.
Okay.
He go to the interview. He
Okay.
has all documents. I don't know what is wrong. They deny him, and they say you have one more chance for that review for his the one they sent the email from for him.
Okay. They said he has another chance.
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I don't know what to do. I'm confused about it. But what's the problem? Why people they wait 3 years and then they make you fail interview or something? What's happened? I don't know.
Okay. Can I ask you some questions about your case?
Yes.
Did you apply for your husband?
Yes, I applied for my husband. Yes.
And are you a U.S. citizen or permanent resident?
Yes, I'm a U.S. citizen.
Okay. And you're married? Do you have children with him?
No,
Okay. And they didn't explain to you what the issue was?
they didn't explain. They say you'll file back to the U.S.
Okay. And did
and
you ever
have
get?
to reapply or something? That's what.
Okay.
they
So
said.
they're going to send you a letter in the mail, and
Mhm.
the letter is going to be is going to say notice of intent to revoke. Okay. And then when you get that letter, it's going to tell you what you can do to respond. And once you get that letter, you can contact me and reach out to me personally, and share that letter with me, and I can
Okay.
try to help you overcome that. Okay.
Okay, I would like that. Okay, thank you.
Don't give up hope. You can get this.
Okay, yeah, I
Okay.
hear you. You said you guys don't give up or something. I
Never,
like your advice.
never.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Questions? Questions? Anybody? Questions?